You've heard the myth. Humans only use 10% of their brain. Sounds crazy, right?
Imagine having a Ferrari, but driving it like a rusty old bicycle. That's the myth. But here's the thing. Science says we already use all of our brain, just not at once.
Still, let's play the what-if game. What if we really unlocked 100% instantly? First, some brain facts that'll blow your neurons. Your brain has 86 billion neurons.
Each neuron can connect to thousands of others. That's trillions of connections.
Think of it as the internet, but inside your head, and faster than any Wi-Fi ever. And here's the kicker. All this runs on about 20 watts, like a small desk lamp. Yet with that dim light bulb, we built rockets, wrote Shakespeare, and made TikTok. Now, about that 10% thing. Where did it even come from? Bad science gossip.
Early neuroscientists noticed unused areas in scans and thought, dead space.
But turns out, the brain is like a city. Not every street is busy at the same time. Sometimes the shopping district lights up, sometimes the nightclubs. You get it.
MRI scans show activity across the whole brain, even when you are dreaming.
So, sorry Hollywood, no magic brain pill turns you into Bradley Cooper in #Limitless. Still, let's imagine. If you could use 100% of your brain all at once, what happens? First stop, memory. You could recall every detail, like what socks you wore at 5. Sounds cool, until you remember every embarrassing middle school haircut too. With full recall, forgetting heartbreak or trauma? Nope, it's all stuck forever. Next superpower, speed. Your brain could process data faster than any computer. You'd calculate stock markets, predict weather, maybe even win every chess game. But careful, you might get bored with Netflix if you know the plot in 0.3 seconds.
Then there's senses. Imagine hearing dog whistles, smelling pizza from 5 miles.
Cool at first. But also, dude, I can't stand hearing my neighbor breathing again.
Creativity would skyrocket. You could paint like Van Gogh, while coding like Elon.
But your brain would also flood with ideas. 1,000 TikTok dances per minute. Chaos. Learning. Forget years of school. You'd learn Spanish before breakfast, physics by 3. But maybe burnout too. Imagine cramming a whole library in your head at once. Another perk, control of body functions. Maybe slow your heartbeat like a monk. Maybe heal faster, fight disease, or run marathons while quoting Shakespeare. But here's the dark side. Too much info, no filter. Your brain drowns in signals. Filters protect us. If you noticed every heartbeat, you'd go nuts by lunchtime. Using 100% at once might fry your circuits. Overload, like too many apps open.
Imagine running 500 Netflix tabs on a 90s computer. Yeah, smoke's coming out.
The truth, the brain evolved to be efficient. Not every part firing at the same time.
It's not laziness, it's balance. Like an orchestra, different sections take the lead.
Violins don't play 24/7. Sometimes it's the drums, sometimes the flutes. Harmony.
Your brain is already doing the same, just without the tuxedo and stage lights.
Think about athletes. Their brains focus on motor control, reflex, split-second moves.
A musician lights up auditory, motor, and memory zones all at once. Pure symphony. Even when you daydream, your default mode network is buzzing like a beehive. So the 10% myth? Total nonsense. You're already using 100%, just spread out. Still, imagining full-throttle brain mode is fun. Let's peek at what science predicts. Some scientists say future tech, like brain implants, may unlock hidden skills. Neuralink? Maybe typing with thoughts, curing diseases, even telepathy someday. We're already hacking memory in labs, restoring lost senses with bionic implants.
The real superbrain may come not from evolution, but from merging with tech. But remember, your brain is already more powerful than the fastest supercomputer.
It can store petabytes of data and still daydream about tacos mid-meeting. It rewires itself when you learn, when you fall in love, when you binge Netflix. That's called neuroplasticity, and it's why you can bounce back from brain injury. It's also why practice works. Play guitar daily, and your brain builds new highways. Same for language, math, or even Fortnite reflexes. The brain is always training. So instead of whining about the 90% we don't use, maybe we should level up. Learn a new skill, meditate, or even just sleep more. Yes, sleep fuels the brain. During sleep, your brain cleans out toxins and files memories. It's housekeeping. Skip sleep too often, and your brain feels like a messy teenager's bedroom. Yikes. Eat right too. Omega-3s, veggies, even dark chocolate. Your neurons love snacks.
Exercise pumps oxygen to the brain. That jog? It's like free Wi-Fi for your cortex.
And don't forget curiosity. Asking what if literally grows new neural pathways. Here's a wild stat. Einstein's brain wasn't bigger, just wired differently in areas.
Proof that genius isn't about size, but about connections firing in new patterns. So what if you used 100% of your brain? You already are. It is just organized.
The myth sells movies, but the truth is even cooler. Your brain is never idle.
It's humming when you sleep, lighting up when you laugh, rewiring when you learn.
The real power move isn't dreaming of 100%, it's mastering the brain you have. Want more focus? Train it. Want creativity? Feed it. Want memory? Practice recall. Your brain listens when you challenge it. It loves puzzles, art, even silly hobbies. Every time you step outside your comfort zone, neurons high-five each other.
And guess what? That feels as good as pizza, okay? Almost as good as pizza.
The brain is a survival machine. It helped us hunt, build cities, and invent memes.
It's why we tell stories, fall in love, and argue about pineapple on pizza. Without it, no science, no TikTok, no late-night existential shower thoughts.
So yeah, you don't need 100%. You just need to use the parts you already own.
Want proof? Every genius, athlete, and artist isn't using more brain, they're training.
Your brain is plastic, not static. It upgrades when you push it, like software updates.
So next time you hear the 10% myth, just smile. You're rocking 100% every day. The real question: what are you doing with that power humming in your skull? Because that lamp in your head built the world, and it is still hungry for ideas. So maybe the limit isn't your brain, it's your imagination. And that's limitless. Science Brew, a space where knowledge, curiosity, and discovery meet. Subscribe now for thought-provoking content on the wonders of science.